Welcome to the story of the United States of America, a nation built through exploration, revolution, struggle, and extraordinary change. Long before the first Europeans arrived, the land was home to hundreds of Native American tribes and civilizations, each with its own culture, language, and traditions. In the 15th and 16th centuries, European explorers reached North America, and over time, the British established 13 colonies along the Atlantic coast. These colonies grew rapidly, but tensions with Britain soon began to rise. The colonists wanted more freedom and objected to British taxes and control. Their protests eventually turned into revolution. In 1776, the colonies declared their independence, and after years of war, a new nation was born, the United States of America. The young country expanded westward, survived political crises, and fought a devastating civil war that would determine its future and end slavery. During the 19th and 20th centuries, millions of immigrants arrived in America, seeking opportunity and a better life. The United States became an industrial giant, played a major role in 2 world wars, and emerged as one of the world's most powerful nations. From the invention of the airplane and the rise of Hollywood, to the civil rights movement and the race to the moon, the history of the United States is filled with moments that changed not only America, but the entire world. Today, the United States is a diverse and influential nation whose story continues to evolve with each new generation. This is a story of courage, ambition, conflict, and hope. This is the history of the United States. Let's begin our journey through time.